How to add clickable social media links to your channel banner. Go to your YouTube studio, scroll down on the left and click customization. Then go to basic info. Scroll down and there is a section called links. Add a link. So for example, I might link to my main YouTube channel. So I put the title in this box and the URL in this box. And then continue to add your links. So I've put all my links in, and if we scroll a little bit further, you'll see this section called links on banner. So you indicate which links you want to display on the banner of your channel homepage. So if I expand this box, I can choose for none of them to show up, only the first link, or up to 5 links. So currently I only have 4, but let's say I were to have 6. The maximum that can show up are the first 5, and then you would only see the 6th link if you went to the About section of the channel. So now that I have my 4 links, I'm going to click Publish and then go to the channel. And here you can see the 4 links I added are on the channel banner and they are all clickable. If I click this, it brings you to my main channel, this one to my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter. A couple of things to mention, only your first link will display the full name. So for example, there's the YouTube icon and then it says main channel, but the other ones there's only the icon. But if I hover over Instagram, for example, it will then say Instagram. So this is to say your quote unquote most important link should be first so that you can see both the icon and the title of the link. And in order to rearrange your links, go back to the page where you initially added them and you'll see these 2 lines next to the links. Click and drag them to their respective positions. And one last thing, after you click publish, it might take a few minutes before the links actually show up. For me, it took about 2 or 3 minutes before they showed up. I kept refreshing the channel, it wasn't there. 2-3 minutes later, all 4 links showed up. So if it doesn't happen right away, it will. You just need to give it a little bit of time. So that is how you add clickable links to your YouTube channel banner.